Today is January 15th, 2013, and this is Catherine Jones.
Now?
Yes.
On a very cold day. On a cold day. On a cold day, a rat weared hat. A fox weared socks. A giraffe weared a scarf. A goat wear coats. Kangaroos wear shoes. Cats wear mittens. And Paul wears them all.
Good.